Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So now I'm just going to rinse out the syringe, but since we finished cleaning, I want to put the burette handle back on the instrument. You don't have to put the syringe in there, but you want to keep the burette handle in there, A, to maintain the temperature if you want to do another experiment, and also so you don't want something dropping in from above into the instrument. So I'm just going to rinse the syringe out with a little water. Again, you can also use a dilute detergent solution to do this, and you can just drain it out. Just tap it, drain it out to the back too. You know, again, tapping gently, so because you want to make sure that you wash the syringe through completely. And we can just rinse it one more time. And then, you know, you can either start a new experiment, or, you know, if you're done for the day, you can leave the syringe out to dry. But you might want to just let it dry in its case here so that it won't slide or roll off anywhere. And you just leave the plunger out and just secure the syringe in place. And you don't necessarily want it resting on here. You kind of just want it to be able to move free so it's not going to get bent by accident. And then we can just store that back there.
For faster turnaround, then it might make sense to have a duplicate set of syringes so that you can have, if you wanted to do one reaction after another.
Yeah, you could.
That way, load it up and then do that.
Yeah, and then you could do the cleaning and stuff while you're running your experiments. All things are already done.